We will make sure your distribution network is adequately supplied. Dugu yangu joroge?
That'll make our work easier.
Hey, Nini Baya Dugu, are you not enjoying our spicy Indian cuisine, Bana?
No, the food is quite nice. I think I have hyperacidity and a heartburn.
Mama Preeti, leta bita cool Billy, iko sida, iko heartburn, leta bita cool haraka raka.
Heartburn, hyperacidity, gas and indigestion happen at the worst time. But now you have a friend. Introducing the all-new Beta-Cool chewable tablets that gives you that fast relief.
Patel, you know what is better than the good profits we make together?
What? Tell me.
Your wife's curry.
Beta-Cool, a quality product from Beta Healthcare. If symptoms persist, seek medical advice.